excited to make pendants like this from Pinterest from last few months.
But I want some origami kind of effect. So I watched one YouTuber's video.
She was actually make it from paper, but it will be not waterproof.
So let's make some waterproof origami pendants.
Here I am using some empty tubes. By cutting those tubes, I am using this as a paper. You can also pair it with relatable charms. Just make a hole and insert a jump ring through it. Now let's make a boat. I am pairing it with a starfish charm. As it is a plastic, you don't worry to carry. So thanks for watching.